So welcome to today's webinar, and what we're going to be talking about today is how to become a Microsoft Office specialist. Income and job opportunities are just going to go up. There's so much information. It's better to have a guide like me showing you the way around. To become a Microsoft Office specialist expert, just scroll down and here shows you the prerequisites. First, you got to be a Microsoft Office specialist associate. The exams that you have to take, and you can go ahead and schedule them. My transcript, and then this part right here is pretty cool, and I'm going to show y'all your pathways in a moment. And I got 950, almost a perfect score, and that's because I used the practice test to prepare. But look at the difference in income now. These are starting salaries, okay? Those are pretty good. If I can do it, you definitely can do it. This is exactly what the exam looks like. We've done the demo of a practice exam, a quick demo, and we now know what the exam is. I love y'all. Keep on learning. And remember, most of all, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.